Hi, this is Unit 3, Quadrilaterals, and just to kind of give you an idea of where you are, if you were in a regular school term, this would be the last lesson, the last unit we have before the end of the term. So if you're only doing a quarter credit, this is the last lesson. The goal for this is kind of a short unit, but the goal is to define the set of quadrilaterals through proofs, and then we're going to use the properties of quadrilaterals to find missing angles and sides. So the lessons we have in Unit 3, first we're going to be classifying quadrilaterals, which is a four-sided figure. Then we're going to look at specific types of quadrilaterals, parallelograms, special parallelograms, trapezoids, and kites. Kite might be a new one that we haven't discussed. I mean, we all know about a kite flying in the sky, but there's actual geometric shape called a kite, and we'll talk about what classifies as a kite. The other thing is we're going to be doing more proofs. So if you need help, please go to my website, look at those videos and the recordings to walk through and how to do proofs. But we're going to talk about quadrilaterals and their classifying, and then different subcategories of quadrilaterals. We've got trapezoids, and there are some subcategories of trapezoids we'll be looking at, but parallelograms, kites, and then rectangles and rhombi and squares, and how they are subsets and connected. The other thing you're going to want to remember is the Pythagorean theorem. So it's important to remember that to find missing sides and angles, you need to remember a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's going to come up in these lessons. So make sure that if you have to solve for sides of a triangle, that you remember the Pythagorean theorem. Finally, the key word for this unit is kite. And so you can go to your assignment in Edgenuity, answer the 2 questions in the submission box, and get started on your lesson.